Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in one of America's favorite classics, 1970 Chevy Chevelle Coupe with a black vinyl top, also featuring the 5-spoke SS mag wheels. Going into the interior now, as you can see, we have a 4-speed manual, definitely the way to own a classic car. We also have the appropriate style cluster featuring the tach, speedometer, and working clock. Very lucky to have a working clock, especially in these older cars. Also having the very old Alpine 2-knob radio with cassette. Other than that, now you also have the black 3-spoke wheel. Also having the bucket seats, true muscle car look. Stock door panels, crank up windows. More importantly, going underneath the hood, you have the big block corporate door featuring the long tube headers. You have the L-Brock intake, chrome valve covers, and more importantly, one of the nice things they did add to this vehicle was the nice spacer, because a lot of these older cars you had an issue called vapor lock, which is basically an engine running hot because the fuel was breathing too hot between the intake and the carburetor. Other than that, now we're opening it up a little bit. Temperature is starting to climb up. As you can see, the stock gauge is working. We're getting about probably 190, 195, almost 200, which is a very appropriate size for our temperature for this kind of car. But yeah, other than that, now we're just cruising, having a little fun, being safe as always. But as for now, though, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so